Welcome to la Universidad de la Sabana. Below, I will teach you how to access in another of the most frequently used platforms in the university, called Virtual Sabana. In this platform, teachers may upload different kind of resources for the classes. For example, they can share a video, images, audios, readings, tasks, and even exams. To enter the website, type the following address: virtual.unisabana.edu.co. Afterwards, at the top right of the page, click on Acceder. Now enter your assigned username and password. In the home page, you will find Tablera. In this section, you will find your classes. You can also find this section by clicking on the top right of the avatar icon and then select Tablero. And there it is. Now, to enter in one of the classes, you just have to click on its name. You have to keep in mind that each class might have a different way to show the content, so don't panic when you see in a different order some signatures. That is all. Now you know the basic functions of this platform. Hope you have understood all the functions that might be useful to your academic semester at La Sabana. Thanks for the attention, and once again, welcome.